King Nebuchadnezzar of Babylon built an enormous golden statue, as tall as a 9-story building. He commanded everyone in the kingdom to bow down and worship it whenever they heard music playing. 3 young men named Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego loved God with all their hearts. They were brave and faithful. When the music played, everyone bowed down, but these 3 stayed standing tall. Some jealous men ran to tell the king, "Your Majesty, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused to bow to your statue." King Nebuchadnezzar was furious. His face turned red with rage. The king threatened them, "Bow down, or I will throw you into the fiery furnace." What God can save you from my power? The 3 friends answered bravely, "Our God can save us. But even if he doesn't, we will never bow to your statue." The king was so angry that he ordered the furnace to be heated 7 times hotter than normal. Soldiers tied up Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego and threw them right into the blazing fire. But then the king jumped up in shock. "Didn't we throw 3 men into the fire?" he cried. "I see 4 men walking around in the flames, and the 4th one looks like a son of the gods." The king called them out, "Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, servants of the Most High God, come out." They walked out of the fire completely unharmed. Not a single hair was burned. They didn't even smell like smoke. King Nebuchadnezzar praised their God. "No other God can save like this," he declared. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego proved that when you stand up for God, He will stand up for you, even in the fire.